I have no scissors. I have no knife. I am completely ill-prepared for this.
What is this?
But I think this is for you.
Does it say? It says to Robbie.
It says, everything says to Robbie.
Okay, you think it's for, how do you know?
It says.
Oh, this is probably for me.
Aha. Can you get into it? Do you need me to actually get a knife? I'm going to stand back. Okay, what do we got? What do we got?
Okay.
Come on, get in there.
Here we go. We have.
Oh, it's official, ladies and gentlemen. What?
Well, I have my Neverware stuff.
No way.
Yeah.
You've got a satchel of some sort.
Okay, what's in here?
Nice.
Okay, whoa.
What
There's
what operating system are you running on your laptop there?
This is my CloudReady, and I have a CloudReady.
How was that for timing, right? She's like, I got a CloudReady notebook and a CloudReady notebook. You have 2 types of CloudReady notebooks here.
This is amazing.
What is this? This is like 3D printed.
This is
nice.
great. Oh my goodness.
Cool.
Okay, a little
tissue
cleany
that you
thingy.
can keep in your pocket and blow your nose anytime
They gave
you
me
want.
so many things.
What do you got?
Is this hand sanitizer?
Neverware hand sanitizer? Come on.
It's like you read my mind.
Are you serious?
I actually said this out loud to Robbie.
Like it's so dirty when I type on my CloudReady computer. What do you?
Oh, this is like a card sleeve.
Like a card sleeve?
And it has like a sticky.
You got all kinds of crazy stuff.
A sticky thing.
It literally is a card sleeve. Like
I've got a USB
flash drive.
Flash drive.
Okay.
I've got some chapstick.
A CloudReady.
You guys are amazing. CloudReady gets me actually ready.
You gotta make it
are
official.
Clean. My lips are soft.
And she's got like lip balm and hand sanitizer.
And here
stickers
is the promised sticker.
Nice.
It's going on the back of my computer.
Totally is going on there. That's going to be on there for next week, right?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
You
got some others. This bag keeps going? Holy cow.
No, that's it. I think that these are just bags for you and Jeff.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Did I get some lip balm? Nice.
So, because you guys are like
it helps to have the
unofficial,
the unofficial official CloudReady spokeswoman here on the set. We appreciate that very much, and we love swag.